Natural blood thinners food. The presence of natural blood thinners lowers the risk of blood clot formation. Although blood clotting is an essential process, it can occasionally clot excessively, which can result in issues that could be harmful. Blood-thinning drugs may be necessary for people with certain medical disorders, such as congenital heart defects, in order to lower their chance of a heart attack or stroke. Blood thinners function in one of two ways. Antiplatelets prevent blood clotting by preventing blood cells from clumping together. Anticoagulants slow down the process of clotting. Before attempting any natural therapies, it is imperative to speak with a doctor because they could not be as effective as medication and might conflict with some prescription medications. The following are some meals and other things that may function naturally to thin the blood and lower the risk of clots. 1. Dong Quai. Another traditional Chinese plant that may lessen blood clotting is dong quai. The presence of coumarin in dong quai, which is what gives cinnamon its exceptional anticoagulant properties, may be responsible for this impact. However, a tiny study published in Blood in 2015 found that consuming 1,000 milligrams of dong quai daily had no appreciable impact on blood coagulation. The authors point to the need for more study. Dong quai can be consumed orally or in herbal tea or soup. 2. Bromelain. An enzyme called bromelain is taken out of pineapples. It might have anti-inflammatory qualities and work well to treat cardiovascular disorders. According to a 2016 study published in Blood Coagulation and Fibrinolysis, adding bromelain to in vitro blood samples lengthened the blood's prothrombin time, or how long it took for the blood to coagulate. 3. Aloe. Since ancient times, people have applied aloe topically and consumed it as a supplement. People use it to treat ailments, including inflammation and constipation. Aloe includes salicylates, which probably have blood-thinning effects, just way ginger and cayenne pepper do. Aloe can be consumed as a soft gel or a pill. A minimum of 2 weeks prior to surgery, people should cease consuming aloe due to possible effects on bleeding. 4. Evening primrose. Rheumatoid arthritis, menopausal symptoms, and evening primrose oil, or Enothera biennis, may benefit from its use. Additionally, evening primrose oil may lessen blood coagulation. According to a 2020 case study in Curious, a woman's thrombocytopenia, or low blood platelet count, was probably made worse by her use of black seed oil and evening primrose oil. Taking evening primrose oil may help reduce drug-induced thrombosis, a risky condition in which blood clots develop in veins, according to 2017 research in mice. 5. Grape seed extract. There is some evidence to support the idea that grape seed extract may be advantageous for a number of blood and cardiac disorders. The grape seed extract has the potential to naturally thin the blood. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health (NCCIH) is concerned about these impacts indicates that certain individuals, such as those with blood issues, on blood-thinning drugs, or those who are going to have surgery, should not consume grape seed extract. 6. Garlic. In addition to having a flavor that is frequently preferred in food and cooking, garlic is naturally antibacterial and antimicrobial. According to a 2018 study from the Department of Food Science and Biotechnology, garlic powder has antithrombotic effects in rats. A drug known as an antithrombotic agent works to prevent blood clots from forming. 7. Cassia cinnamon. Coumarin, a potent blood thinner found in cinnamon, is present. Coumarin is the source of the blood-thinning medication warfarin. According to a 2012 study by trusted source, Chinese cassia cinnamon has a substantially higher coumarin concentration than Ceylon cinnamon. It would be better to limit your intake of cinnamon to small amounts while also taking other all-natural blood thinners. 8. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba tree leaves have been employed by traditional Chinese medicine practitioners for thousands of years. Ginkgo is a very well-liked herbal supplement in both Europe and the United States. It is prescribed for blood diseases and memory issues. Several chemicals in ginkgo biloba may prevent thrombin, an enzyme that causes blood clotting. 9. Vitamin E. There are several ways that vitamin E lowers blood coagulation. The amount of vitamin E a person consumes will determine these effects. The Office of Dietary Supplements of the National Institutes of Health argues against the use of high dosages of vitamin E by those who are on blood thinners. Although the exact amount of vitamin E required to thin the blood is unknown, it is most certainly greater than 400 international units, IU, per day. Vitamin E can be found in the following foods: almonds, safflower oil, sunflower oil, sunflower seeds, spinach, peanut butter, whole grains. 10. Cayenne peppers. Additionally rich in salicylates, cayenne peppers have the potential to be potent blood thinners. Cayenne pepper extract inhibited blood coagulation in type O plus blood samples, according to a 2019 study published in the Ascendance Asia Journal of Multidisciplinary Research. However, because cayenne pepper is so hot, many people can only consume it in limited doses. 11. Ginger. Another anti-inflammatory seasoning that may prevent blood clotting is ginger. It contains salicylate, a natural acid. Acetylsalicylic acid, generally known as aspirin, is a powerful blood thinner and a synthetic derivative of salicylate. People may want to frequently utilize fresh or dried ginger in baking, cooking, and juicing in order to benefit from the anticoagulant effects of natural salicylates. 12. Turmeric. Turmeric, a golden spice that has both culinary and medicinal uses, has been used by humans for a very long time. The primary component of turmeric, curcumin, is thought to have anti-inflammatory and blood-thinning or anticoagulant qualities. According to a review published in the EPMA journal in 2019, turmeric may help prevent blood clotting, although it should be used with caution when using blood-thinning medications. Turmeric can be included in curries and soups, or it can be combined with hot water to make a soothing tea. Be aware that some of these products should not be used in conjunction with blood-thinning medications.